It's time for bookkeeping, beer, and BS. But we're also talking about your business at the same time. Oh, Rob Anderson in the house.
He can't come in.
The co-host.
Don't put him in.
Well, you can kick him out. Whenever he says something stupid, you can just be like, Rob, out.
Yeah, mute.
I just figured he was probably going to be thirsty. Casey Caudill, what's up, brother?
Casey's in Vegas right now.
Casey's in Vegas right now. He probably flew his damn plane out there. He's just, he's wherever he wants to be. Casey, you flying a jet yet? Tell me he's flying a jet. He can't be still, at least a helicopter, maybe a jet. Rob, you up in your attic? You up in the attic?
Yeah, I'm not at work right now. I haven't brought the green screen back here to get that taken care of. We'll do some adjusting at some point when I'm.
Your furnace is still kicking in up there, whatever that noise is. Oh, maybe it's your tower. Maybe it's still the computer tower.
Could be the computer tower.
We never did.
Is it the dial-up internet?
Yeah, that's it too. It's only when you talk, Rob. Maybe like the movie Snatch where the dog eats the Chewy toy and then whenever it barks, it like squeaks. It's like you ate a furnace and whenever you talk, it's like, brah.
My wife says I'm hot. Does that count?
That's all that counts. That's actually all that counts.
Beauty is in the eye.
Representing the Save Water, Drink Beer shirt.
Oh, I like that. That could be like the official shirt of bookkeeping, beer, and BS. That's right up there with Big and Rich. Save a horse, ride a cowboy.
So the beer I'm drinking. Dan, do you want to go play outside?
Always.
Hold on.
You got to hold it in front of you, otherwise it'll blur it out.
Namaste, white. Nah, I'm gonna stay white.
Oh man. Don't carry that around Minneapolis. You get in trouble.